Russia shelled the Ukrainian city of Kharkiv as it pressed on with its invasion Tuesday, defying mounting global pressure that show a war crimes probe against Moscow. Sanctions smash its economy and FIFA ban it from the World Cup. Further, the European Union has added top Kremlin-linked oligarchs and Russian President Vladimir Putin's spokesman to its sanction blacklist. After their first task since the war started failed to secure a breakthrough Monday, Russia continued to target residential areas and Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky called for a global ban on Russian plants and ships. More than 350 civilians, including 14 children, have been killed during the invasions, according to Ukraine, while more than 500,000 people have fled the country. Sri Lanka extends visas of Russian Ukrainian tourists by 2 months. The Sri Lankan government has decided to extend the visas of over 15,000 Russian and Ukrainian tourists in the South Asian country for 2 months. France says sanctions will cause collapse of Russian economy. France said on Tuesday that Western sanctions against Moscow over its invasion of Ukraine will cause the Russian economy. Russian missiles hit city administration residential areas. Kharkiv region head Oleg Synigovov said on Tuesday Russian missile attacks hit the country, the center of Ukraine's second largest city, including residential area and the city administration building, as Moscow starting day 6 of its invasion. Russia continues to target residential areas in Ukraine after their first task since the war started failed to secure a breakthrough Monday. Russia continued to target residential areas and Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky called for a global ban on Russian plants and ships. Regularly engaging with Indian partners on Ukraine situations, says US. The United States on Monday said it is regularly engaging with its partners such as India and UAE amid the rapidly evolving situation in Ukraine caused by Russia's large-scale military operations in the country. PM Modi asked Air Force to evacuate stranded Indians. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has asked to Indian Air Force IAF to evacuate Indians stranded to Ukraine due to the Russian military offensive against this country, sources said on Tuesday. Around 350,000 refugees have entered Poland from Ukraine. Yes, sure. And India in Ukraine tweeted, India embassy in Ukraine issues fresh advisory from Indian nationals. Then tweet this option advisory to Indians in Kiev. All Indian nationals, including students, are advised to leave Kiev urgently today, preferably by available trains or through any others means available. US coordinating with allies to seize Putin's assets. Senator Murphy, the West is preparing further restrictive measures against Moscow, including Russian President Vladimir Putin. US Senator Chris Murphy, a member of the Foreign Relations Committee, said after a classified briefing from US President Joe Biden's top national security officials on the Ukraine situation. China has started evacuating its citizens from Ukraine, state media reported Tuesday, amid fears for their safety due to the invasions by Beijing ally Russia, but also reports of resulting hostility from angry Ukrainians. And finally, the US has expelled 12 diplomats from Russia's mission to the UN, saying they engaged in espionage activities, a move which Moscow described as a hostile action and gross violation of the commitments by the US as host country of the United Nations headquarters. Thank you. If you like my news and my daily update, then please my channel subscribe and like, and please over more share my channel, and thank you so much.